Hello participants. So far we have discussed introductory part where we talked of FATF, FIU end, ED and objectives of PMLA. Now we discuss some of the important provisions of PMLA. Proceeds of crime. Proceeds of crime simply means property obtained from criminal activities related to scheduled offence. Section 3 explains meaning of offence of money laundering. Scheduled offences under schedule are divided into three parts. Punishment for money laundering is 3 to 7 years rigorous imprisonment with fine. It is important to note that in case of offence related to para 2 of part A of scheduled offence, that is the offence related to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, the imprisonment can be up to 10 years. Let us discuss these sections one by one. Proceeds of crime means any property derived or obtained by any person as a result of criminal activity related to a scheduled offence. As per explanation added by the Finance Act 2019, proceeds of crime include property not only derived or obtained from the scheduled offence, but also any property which may be derived or obtained from any criminal activity relatable to scheduled offence. What constitutes offence of money laundering? That is explained under section 3 of the PMLA. As per this section, any process or activity connected with the proceeds of crime, including its concealment, possession, acquisition or use, and projecting or claiming it as untainted property shall be offence of money laundering. Explanation added by the Finance Act 2019 to this section makes the definition more comprehensive. Money laundering is conversion of tainted property into untainted one. Simply speaking, conversion of black money into white through the process of placement, layering and integrating. A person enjoying proceeds of crime by concealment or possession or acquisition or use of tainted property shall also come within the ambit of section 3. Now let us try to know what is the meaning of reporting entity. Reporting entity means a banking company, financial institution, intermediary or a person carrying on a designated business or profession. Reporting entity is required to register on FINET 2.0 with FIU end and is under a duty, number 1, to verify the identity of clients and beneficial owners, number 2, maintain records of clients and beneficial owners, and thirdly, furnish information. How to verify the identity? Which information to be recorded and maintained for how long, and how to furnish information, by which time to furnish information is all prescribed under law. Now let us discuss what is meant by attachment. Attachment means prohibition of transfer, conversion, disposition or movement of property by an order passed under Chapter 3 of the Act. Authority on the basis of material in possession having reason to believe, please note reasons to be recorded in writing, can go for provisional attachment of property for a period not exceeding 180 days. This period of 180 days excluding the period of stay by the High Court, if any. If concerned authority is satisfied with reason, then final attachment order is passed. On conclusion of trial by special court, property is confiscated if the person is found guilty of offence of money laundering, otherwise property is released. And it is significant to note that confiscated property shall vest in the central government. Scheduled offence means the offences specified under Part A of the schedule. Part A of the schedule is further divided into 29 paras. The offences specified under Part B, that is, the offences under the Customs Act, if the total value involved in such offences is rupees 1 crore or more. Part C of the schedule relates to offences having cross-border implications. Punishment for money laundering is rigorous imprisonment for a term not less than 3 years, which may extend to 7 years along with fine. If offence relates to any offence specified under para 2 of Part A of the schedule, that is offences under Narcotic, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, the imprisonment may extend to 10 years. Thank you.